The view and opinion in this video and comments on this channel do not necessarily reflect or represent the views and opinions by this channel podcaster.
Beehive Podcast with Richie B.
Richie B, big up. Richie B, big up. I keep on doing Spanish and nice. Big up. Richie B, big up. Richie B, big up. I keep on doing Spanish and nice. Richie B, big up.
Normally, when I start kirata go toaster, toaster just to welcome you, to make you feel at home, over comfortable, and I'll toast for more money,
more prosperity,
more what? More healthy lifestyle, more what?
more blessings.
More sex.
Okay, to that as well.
Thank you so much. All right, ladies and gents, thank you so much one more time for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. I know you could have been somewhere else doing some things, but just to be here with me. Kalabijo, Kerechi Beam, Shimanum Telega Siemo, almost running a mala, Papan Zombargana, Mr. Donkey, my baby. Donkey, my gosh. All right, ladies and gents, in the building, I'm joined by AUSI Tina. AUSI Tina, guys, I don't know how to introduce her. She can talk to the dead. And let me welcome you. Thank you so much for joining me.
Thank you. It's a pleasure being here.
Tina.
I'm good. I'm fantastic.
Yeah.
Let me just say I'm blessed.
You're blessed.
Yes.
I'm blessed for you, Romo, because of it's rare to find people like you. I don't know how many do I know. But before actually the reason why you're here, and
Okay.
yeah.
So I am Tina Kutwani, known as Tina Tema Koskolo.
Yeah.
And I am from Danville, Pretoria West.
Okay.
And Raya Sosha, and that's when everything happened. So yeah, this is just me. Let's just say Denville, and then things happened with my parents, and we went to Soshanguve.
Like what happened?
My mom and dad got divorced.
Oh, then you decided to choose Utamale Papa or Mom.
Le Papa.
Oh, you choose Papa?
Yeah.
Come on, it's rare.
I mean, Papa was my mpinje. My dad was my best friend. My dad was my hero. He was my everything. Got Papa, like it's a Maliena. It was not like a daughter and a father. It was like Dichun.
To be honest, it's rare. Most of the time, that's why Lere Labarbeta, you're my way.
No.
Because your papa way, you'll never. And most of Erko before, most of people are papa because of what Mama Nabaru.
Yeah.
But you chose your father, man.
Sure.
And you're calling, I see, Waperedilo. I don't know, maybe you'll tell me about them. What is this thing? Kidding.
So, I was actually like, you are born with this gift.
Yeah.
So what happened is, when I was 3, according to what my dad and my mom was saying, but like at night, I would tell him, I'm seeing things.
Oh.
And then they thought I was crazy because I remember the first time when my dad bought the house called Danville. I think it was 1995 or 1996.
Yeah.
There was a white lady who actually passed on in that house, got her wedding day.
Yeah.
Yeah. So her spirit was still there. Every time around 1 minute past 12, she would literally float in from the window. Yes. And then she would talk to me and ask me, who am I? And I would tell her. So Papa she would disappear just like that.
Yeah.
And then Papa thought, maybe I'm going crazy.
Wow.
Yeah. So because of remote Denville, Rayago Orient, Marabastat, ZCC.
Yeah.
And then Herifitako, that's when they explained to my dad, no, your child is actually gifted. Onali, everything. So then my dad was like, okay, now how do we deal with this? And then that's when they told them, no, you guys can groom her Sioni.
Yeah.
And then, like, as she grows, we don't know what God has planned for her. So yeah, Then that's when I started prophesying because it's sine ke apara beige, ke apara le saparo.
Oh,
Yeah, ke apara green and yellow. I think when I was in grade 8 or 9, if I'm not mistaken.
yeah.
Yeah, so this gift, it's just been there.
So and then you're wearing something like ukaroka metsing, something, the seashells or something.
Yeah.
What is it? From ZCC to where there's, and on top of that, unale the student, which is Matwasana. Tell me about that. Man.
So I prefer calling them my spiritual daughters,
Oh,
not
not
Matwasana.
Matwasana.
Yeah.
Oh, maybe I don't know the word Twasana. Maybe I don't
Yeah.
know the meaning.
So with me, what happened is honestly, because the blessings tsa rena, the gifts tsa rena ga di tshwana kere.
Yeah.
Go na le ba bangwe already badimo setse ba le busy ka wena.
Yeah.
And then ba o tlisetsa like a mentor. And then that mentor, that guider, is just there gore a go thuse in the physical form while your ancestors will be educating you and showing you things spiritual.
Oh.
Yeah. So now I am just here in the physical form to assist Bao, which we call self-initiates.
Yeah.
Yeah. So I'm just here to assist them. And yes, these beads, it represents gore we like the water princess. Here ka check history, ke tswa kae, ke tswa bokhosing. Kgale batho ba ga tema.
Yeah.
Yes. So now this blessings has fallen on me, and it is a blessing, sometimes is a curse because you do not determine what is it that you want. But what I like about this is I'm being led by God and the Holy Spirit and my ancestors as well.
You're very strong, man. I mean, like, how do you find it this thing called Ebarking? I want to say for Utomo Belalemot, do I need to give you my surname? Or how do you work? Or no, then Spokus note, then you communicate with them, or what they just come. Like, for me, it's scary. Like, it's dangerous.
It is. Wait, it is because Richie, it came to a point whereby Lake High School, I never dated. Because the moment Obanamot, and my dad was also a seer, Natu Sabat.
Okay.
So I remember this other time. I was so fancy this other guy, and then my dad was like, no.
Not this one.
This one, 1, 2, 3, 4. Iyako habo ka usani fru. Mahay utlugira 1, 2, 3, 4. Trust me.
And
I
happened.
went kwa habo.
Yeah.
And it happened. So, yeah, you do live your life, but you need to live your life accordingly to what they want. Not just ancestors, but what God, the Holy Spirit, and your ancestors want.
But how dangerous it is. Like, I mean, like, or maybe dangerous.
No, those ones, what happened, Gabona, it's they get put in like in a holding cell.
What do you mean?
Now the afterlife.
Yes. I want to understand that.
Yeah. So here Kabbalah, the book of Revelation, I think you'll be able to understand thoroughly on at the end of the world. But the end of the world is actually here. It actually a lot of people are awakened. That's why I'm not saying because of masela. I mean the true ones. The ones that are truly called because Mudimo o busy ulukisa masole ahai. Yeah. So like it's just a lot that's happening in the world. We just need to move to what God is saying. We need to be able to open up and listen and take the message in. Sometimes what we as humans shouldn't do is we shouldn't be too quick to act.
Come on. I hear you, but is there life after death?
There is.
What's up with you?
Yes.
I'm going somewhere.
You are. Even the nurse, the doctors, Josh Mukari, would confirm that. I was here dead for 35 minutes.
You?
Yep.
Before?
Yeah, bo. I came back to life. And then the sister that was helping me.
Can I touch your hand?
The sister that was assisting me, Ochabile, like she was like, because remudiclarile he heshe ela is silver ela e fit.
Yeah.
Ke papa. And then for me, I'm taking it as God has given me a second chance. And but then after that incident, I was like, okay, I'm here to serve my purpose. And my purpose is to bring God's children closer to Him.
So you're dead when afterwards.
Mm.
You are dead and
No,
you
I'm not
what's
dead.
over? Or resurrectile.
Yeah, we can say that. We can say that because Bazamile, Barry, they really tried to resuscitate me, but then they couldn't.
Yeah, but
Yeah.
the danger of that, maybe utusha moto and then badimo ba gona I can say how dangerous it is like to see or to talk to people by learning already they are dead.
Yo, okay, so that part, as a spiritual person, you need to meditate and be able to connect to spirit. Then you can differentiate between a good and an evil spirit.
Yeah.
And the more you learn and uzama ho ira, o tlo fihla to a point whereby you are able to block those other spirits. Ho na le tse dingwe, memoya e mengwe, you do not welcome them at all. At all. Like, boss, emanyana ho. Now this I can't do. And you need to be honest with your clients. If motuatla are okay, someone passed on, can you please assist me in connecting Lebon?
Yeah.
The moment he motu o atlagella, ebe au bontsha gore motho o has been captured. And o capturile, now there's a difference between the demon and the tokoloshi. Tokoloshi, it's nothing. But when it comes to demons, then you know who you are indeed fighting. Now you need to know all the verses, exorcism.
I can see the different, but yeah.
Yeah, so like it's difficult. And then in terms of with this new age and everything that's happening, but no, I can do everything. I can do it. You cannot do everything, and you need to be honest with your patients. Listen, I cannot go there because the moment you go there, you are at risk. Also, your family and your kids as well. So you need to think of that. Or the moment or you're gonna tackle this demon, what's gonna happen to your kids? They'll always target your kids.
Oh.
Yeah, so you need to be wiser. So
It's dangerous. Let me take you back, man. You said
yes.
but like no so how is life there?
It's peaceful. It's especially if you have crossed over. It's peaceful.
No alcohol there.
No, there is.
Oh, okay.
Yeah, there is.
Okay.
There is, because in most cases, those that have people that I've read, maybe utopia haho narata disamalek.
Yeah.
And then in order for me to describe utopia haho, and I need to tell you or no moto also like I described the features and everything and how he looked like, and then has not zamalek o rata like biala bobo biang and then utamaya biang, just for you to confirm her indeed this is your person that you wanted to connect with. And but life goes on, it continues. And then hona le ba bangwe ba tswalletse,
like ba go di heleng.
Yeah, ba go di heleng bao ke bao o tla kra ho fitla ore o nyoka ho checka koko mamang e ba botsa gore koko mamang o ha tsena because of koko mamang kala jabato.
Oh.
Then that it's a no-going area. O tla kra le yana koko mamang o a khopela gore khopela le nthuseng le nkopeleng go badimong gore ba ntshwarele. You can't. Well, no, I don't assist koko mamang once they have done those things ba tshwere go di holding cells, because it will definitely affect me, and then you will be opening gates to the dark world. Yeah, it gets scary. And the next thing, because I look at TikTok, and I will read other people. I kid you not. Otakra mo standing sa di pizza chicken. I remember the other time spoke so sing kukile mo mpetong sang wisa mo fatshe ke le live on TikTok. Ke le live.
So people saw that?
Yes, they saw. Le mo riti ko morao. And I'm like, you see guys, dilote, it's not as easy as we all think.
Oh.
Especially when you're connected, you do see those paranormal things happening in your life.
But do you enjoy your life like a normal life, like no kiratsama, we're going to club, we're going to party? Like
nah, go bored. Because after literally maybe 10 or 20 minutes. Because the moment you walk in, you're already reading energies. Kono bona hore, oh, Tshepo o irang. Mamang o twele. And it's gonna mess up.
Yeah, disturb.
Yeah.
Mm.
It's gonna do that.
AUSI TINA, like, come on. This thing, I mean, like, so if you say you can see or you can talk to the dead, it means motho a ka tlhokofala, maybe ba mmolaya, rano mo kry-a ko nokeng a hwile, you will be able to talk to that person.
100%.
I would tlhalosetsa gore who killed her or who killed him.
100%.
Wa ba tseba gore- serious?
Yeah. I'm not sure if I'm supposed to say this, but where I stay, there was a lady, she's from Lesotho, who got killed. And Bamfonela, the community.
Yeah.
So I went there. Hey, Kifitla, it's that thing that Hausa Chaba stop. Because you can speak to the dead. You're so used to it. So when I arrived there and I went straight to the body, the community was like, they were giving me space.
Yeah.
Or no, AUSI TINA Ash.
Yeah.
Let her communicate. And then I was able to talk to her. She told me who killed her, what happened.
Yeah.
And then I was like, okay. And then I told the relevant people that, okay, this person, so and so happened to her. And they were caught after 4 days. Babatwer.
And how much do you charge for that? Because of last time I had a Prophet Tsepo here, I think one image, and then the community asked him to, I'm sorry to mention him, and he demanded somewhere 400,000 to tell them where's the kid. How much do you charge? Because of what you do, I think it's what he does.
400,000.
Yes, even on the podcast that I wanted 500,000 for me to tell them.
Remember, Horit, this is not a business. This is your calling. It's you serving your purpose in life. Now, online, I charge 400. Face to face, it's just 600.
So you can tell me about my things at 600.
Yeah.
So you can chepele or you can do
It depends. They've ruined it. Motho wa mothusa ka sekoloto dilo tsa gae di bulege, and then the next thing they're nowhere to be found. They block you.
I'm scared. Like, I want to be search mara.
No.
Ke chaba ro don't search wa feleja o ntsena too much. Later some podcasting or o ke mo tsebela o. O ke mo tsebela ba dimba hae ba magwala or something like that. I'm scared of that.
Let's keep it professional. But with you, Richine, one thing that I can guarantee you is badimba ha ba ba lega di boots. You've got strong ancestors that are always protecting you, especially wabana herka lebella kokwana. Oh, wabana yo. Okay, I'm not going to go into names, but you've got ancestors that are definitely protecting you. They are with you. Hence, whenever you're supposed to do something, let me just.
Stop it. If people are watching us, millions of people are watching us around the world. Remember, we have more than 100,000 followers.
Well, and I was
So so don't tell them about me.
No, I'm not going to tell you, but I'm not going to tell them about you. But when I just know
myself, I'm scared to know about myself because of sometimes it's best to know, sometimes it's not. Because I won't sleep at night. But now I can sleep because if I don't know.
No, why should you fear?
Hey.
If you believe in God and you be like, Father God, so that you need to know, okay, Lord, but you are protected. You know, hoka shia juicy, and then no ho let's all let vatla or juicy out the yeah. So upela ka botlhale.
Guys, let me leave this one. I know there's or maybe before get obviously there's something a lot of stories a lot of sawa was three times to gona. I get to go I get like when I get to consult. What is it? You call me a patient.
You are my patient.
Any scenario a lot of I don't name drop anything.
Okay.
Just tell me what happened and how did you treat that?
Yo. Okay, the weirdest one or get it the scariest one was when a child was actually possessed. Like Bami said, the doctor and the psychologist, they tried helping the child and nothing actually helped. And then someone was referred to me by a friend.
Yeah.
The moment Hebatla, I was able to pick up her, okay, no, ngwana o na le certain things that are happening to them, and the lights flickered, like blackout,
Yeah.
and it came back again.
Yeah.
And blackout, and then it came back again, and then obviously, batlo botsa gore irela ngwana 1 2 3, and then the moment we read that 1 2 3, and then everything it seems to make sense, and le ngwana wa phuthuloga because of mo phethetse ka mkhotla mila phetheleng. And let us not be too comfortable le whoever is in our life, whether re ke bo maki or re ke bo mogotsi, because a witse gore maki ya hao ha ya jika ko dikhoning o wirang, or mogotsi ya hao ha jika ko dikhoning o wirang. Yeah. So yeah, those are some of the things that we see. Yo, re ska lebala le ditokoloshi tsa ko Limpopo.
Do you see them?
Yep.
Tekoloshi ke ntho e jwang?
Yes.
Describe it. Ke motho or ke phoofolo or ke
That thing, it's a mixture
mixture of what?
of human and an animal. Because what if I'm gonna get slayed for this? Like, okay, the ones that I have experienced, most they're short, and then their skin looks like it's burned.
Yeah.
Yeah, and then gona le tse dingwe di na le manakana, and then gona le tse dingwe di na le moriri, and then gona le ba bangwe ba bona gore motho ke motho wa kgale, ba mo tsotsitse, ba mo thebula, ba mmerekisa as tokoloshi. Hence o kgone go pata motho wa go geno last or 2 weeks ago, and then wa makalo kopana le ena ko toropong a se litho la hao o mmone ke ena wa bereka, which means that person is not resting, ba mo thebutse.
So what do we do for the person arban?
You go and seek help, spiritual help. Iseng batho ba tsa di chance, spiritual help, so that batho ba kgone go robala. Like wa bona, no, with this new generation a go sa tshwana le kgale. And I believe gore maybe God or the ancestors, they have taken that gift ya gore motho a thebutseng o kgone go mmusa gore a phele happy. Now a re kgone go mmusa. What we do is we put them to rest so that they can cross over. And the moment ba cross over, lo wena wa feel gore no, there's a difference in my life, le dilo ka mokgo di leng ka teng, maybe bana ba hae le bona ba thoma go achieve certain things, whilst nakwela thebutse ne ba pallwa.
Can you believe I'm scared, Joe? This is for the first time. I've interviewed plus minus 5 traditional doctors, but like your story, like I don't know, man.
I'm just a medium.
Yo.
I'm just a medium.
And how do they find you? Like maybe Bonyaga? Because if I know my phone is going to ring non-stop. How did they find you? I don't want them to come to me through me. I want them to call you straight. Direct.
I've got a TikTok page. It's called AUSI TINA Your Medium, and also on Facebook as well. It's AUSI TINA Your Medium, and they can also send me a WhatsApp or give me a direct call on 064 926 2184. So it's 064 926 2184. Yeah.
And come to think, yeah, sorry, you're saying?
Oh, I was saying they need to book an appointment first. Because I don't just read out of the blue. Hey guys, and they just want to demand. We respect each other. You respect me, I respect you.
So unyaka now go to prepare yourself.
Not really. Even local, especially in case of emergencies.
Yeah.
When you just walk in, like, but I was seeing a couple of twists and then I'll be able to assist you. There was also I'm not gonna mention names.
Yeah.
There was a lady, she went to doctors and everything, but stop. She was also referred by a good friend of mine.
Yeah.
They came, and then literally after 2 to 3 days, the child was fine.
Tell me, Austin. Yo, wow. There's a show on I think Mojalav or something like that. Yeah. There's a lady, I forgot her name, man. Na read about try ko meeting abulela le bona about the dead.
Tembi.
I think
Tembi Dlozilam.
Yeah, umoya le Dlozilam ke one.
No, umoya
different. Mara
yeah.
Like ke one.
Yeah, sort of.
Cause ke gopela shupa.
Yeah, don't tell me about is it the frog or the dog?
Yeah, the frog.
No comment.
Come on. Are those things real or because of it sounds like we do the same work every day.
Yeah. Yes, I do.
They are real.
They are real. They most definitely real. With me, most science the birds, like the doves and the nyonyane tse grayish na le bo brownonyana, so it represents badimo.
But that frog when I wanna give mo TV ngaba ka stop TV.
No comment.
Okay. It's fine. It's fine.
No
And
comment.
come to think that you were once I don't know, a presenter. I've seen you actually having a show on Kasi. Is it Kasi TV or Kasi Lifestyle?
Kasi Lifestyle.
I'm not sure. Yeah, Kasi Lifestyle. You're working there. I don't see any videos now. When I check, when I do my research, I checked and then I didn't see your videos anymore. What happened?
I don't know. We must ask Brian.
Brian.
I don't know. Brian, what happened? What happened? I don't know.
Did you have a contract with them or what? What is it that you were doing there?
No, we never had a contract.
Yeah.
It was just verbally. We never signed anything.
Yeah.
Yeah, and I think maybe the financial side got hard for them, and they were also asking for donations. So
Just to pay you.
no, they never paid me.
Okay.
Yeah, they never paid me. So it was that thing, when I go for shooting, I need to pay them. And I mean, they needed donations. So yeah.
Okay.
So I don't know what even happened, but yeah, we stopped shooting.
Are you still in communication with Brian?
I've changed phones. No, we're not.
Even if you can exchange a phone, mommy, like you never number from Brian. I can get them today. I don't know him, but if I want numbers, I can get him today. Did you try to find him and try to find out what happened, bro? Is my show boring or what is it? Because I saw on the show you're actually trying to read about the dead or something like that.
Yeah. Most definitely.
Did you try to find out or what's happened, bro?
No, when he explained to me about Hore, they need donations, they need financial aid. And then I'm just starting. I mean, I don't have that kind of funds to assist them. And then I was like, hey,
What for? What funds for?
for the production, the lighting,
The lighting, the producers,
equipment, and
yeah.
So yeah, we couldn't carry on, and yeah, it just remained silent. Hold us to it.
Are you guys in good terms? Are you okay?
I believe I'm okay.
Are you okay with him?
Yeah, I believe
Can we
I'm
call
okay.
him and let me ask him?
Definitely.
I don't know. Where's my phone? I just want to find out. I don't know.
You can definitely
Perhaps I know
do
maybe
that.
somewhere Kwalongwana or something. Because Lin Nasansa it's about one video high, but personally I don't know him.
Yeah.
Well, man,
Yeah. No,
Maybe
I'm okay with Brian. I don't have any problem with Brian.
we need to find out because of your show. I think it's helping a lot of people.
It was.
It
It was. And why didn't I believe her? Other deaths are unexplainable. But then once we hear from the horse's mouth, which is the spirit that has passed on, what actually happened?
Yeah.
And then closure inside.
Yeah.
And then especially those who are missing. It's when you get clients, everybody, or get patients, everybody AUSI TINA, motho mo solo so khala tsamaya. And then that person, the spirit, that person is no more, and they give you location. And the next thing you tell the family, and then heba fitla go ba bitsa maphodisa ba yepa ba grama rapo e utlwisa botlhoko. But for me, I believe it's also a blessing because now they are able to ba tse masapa motho and then ba tle ba khona go mmoloka.
Oh, so you can tell if motho ba mo epetse somewhere.
Yeah, but I don't like doing it.
AUSI TINA.
No.
This is dangerous. I mean,
Exactly, but I don't like doing it.
bona nna ke no tshosha ko no lora toro ngwe bad ke tswa ke a shake ke just tito. I mean, like, I'm scared, especially these dreams cha o kra ke lora ke kitima ke chava ina ke na lebelo, sometimes ke slow,
Yeah.
sometimes ke lora ke fofa and like solo bona fofa okay akwa like ke a
Superman.
choga ka nnete like watch when you go down
Mm.
solo bona maybe una meje something okay ya go body Gold Reef City.
And then you kick.
Ona mela ntwela ya fase so like do you know the feeling?
Yeah.
So sometimes can I look at that feeling when I'm sleeping.
That adrenaline. And you mustn't take those dreams, such dreams lightly, hey? There's a message across it. Especially a whole lot of utivisiwa, then just know how your enemies are after you. You need to stand tall, you need to stand firm, ukopele, utlhale, the wisdom, knowledge, and skills from God, the Holy Spirit, and your ancestors as well. Then they will definitely give you a sign of this is what you need to do. And the moment you do it, no man, my life has has changed since
Yeah.
I've done 1, 2, 3.
Yeah. Are you married? Because I see. How long have you been married?
10 years with Rekutsuani.
10 years in a
10
marriage.
10 years.
Don't lie to me.
10 years.
Okay, it's fine. I believe that 10 years. But don't lie to me. Be honest with me.
Mm-hmm.
You know, we are people. You are a person. Unless God salwa before. Temptations are there.
Yes, temptations are always
Guys
there.
are out there.
And I do
Hotter
things.
than him.
And I do things, guys. But if you know
Any mistake that you have ever done before? You are a woman, of course.
the only mistake that I've done, go go tlhapisa monna, ebe boxer ya hae e ye ko tlase. That's the only mistake.
Boxer.
Yeah, like hold a bucket and you're busy throwing water on them.
Yeah.
You're busy throwing water on them, and then maybe the boxer is loose. That's the only mistake. But other than giving into temptation, no.
Mistake. What mistake? Like you've seen it. We won.
Yeah, because it's gonna kill me for this. So hold that 20-liter bucket and then boxer yeah, they become ashamed and they like, no.
But it's your job. You're a doctor. I mean, doctor can do a surgery on anybody. You can
That's
just
true.
hold my dick like this.
Yeah. So you need to keep it professional. You know, Hore, you've got a husband, for example. Moi,
Yeah.
I know her. I've got a husband, and he's chosen for me, and he has blessed me with two
And you never
beautiful
you
kids.
never cheated on him.
No.
How many kids do you have?
2.
Don't lie. Don't say no. I mean, like, serious. No, Gabana is fine. I mean, cheating. Have you ever found him cheating? Maybe once, twice.
When we started,
Okay. Okay.
nasa yizo hore
No mona spiritually or no
yeah, ke
mona.
mone spiritual asa yizo hore ke a bona and ka motsa le yizo la mogele ka motsa hore mogele o tlo SMS tsa no, and then literally after 20 seconds the girl sent him an SMS, and then I was like, yeah, call her back. He was shocked. He felt like this was premeditated. And I was like, I don't even know her.
Yeah.
Get a call her. And then yeah, he did call, and then Karamogel. I want to ira. Enga phone la monna ha ka monzoro ira nga motho. Yo babe. And then yeah, that's when it stopped.
What is the sign? What is this?
Tagas.
Is it a black or what?
It's a good thing. It's a good thing.
I am babying, man. I am babying. Yeah, babe. So now, spiritual husband is it real or inova fella? Because
Yeah, it's real.
Are you serious?
Your spiritual husbands, spiritual wives, those things, bona, it's real. And then man. It's literally a togoloshi, eh?
Not maybe it's something because maybe your spiritual daughter.
Yeah.
Maybe I can think of her, me.
Yeah, then that's now there's a difference between your thoughts and what's happening in the spiritual. You will definitely feel when it's your thoughts, you can control it. But when it's something spiritual, which is psychological, then now more that you don't have any control over.
Come on. You're scaring me now.
I'm serious. These things, these are, yes, kitokology, and they're also demons, hey? Because at the end of the day, remember, hore, honali things called soul ties.
Yeah.
The moment you let someone in and you guys are penetrating and whatnot, they take your energy and in return they're giving back.
Even if I use protection.
Even if.
Come on.
Even the moment go hemel, we're exchanging energies. The moment go touch your skin, we already are.
But now, am I changing my energy with you now? Or
Well,
like a sex?
I get now you're talking sex.
AUSI TINA.
Remember how we were speaking about spiritual and spiritual wives and husbands.
Yeah.
Yes. But then when they touch you, they're able to read you. They're able to see horo ho irahalang ka wena.
That's why Mboro was saying but he said it, or he don't just touch anyone. Pela guys,
You don't just.
Pastor Mboro was here on the same couch. And I remember I wanted to, just simple toast.
Yeah.
At first, he refused to toast. For what? Maybe I don't know. And as he came in, I tried to. when this guy would like
Yeah.
just to say welcome and so it was difficult for him. I don't know what do you think can be the reason?
Remember, Richie B, Arizor were not twelegani.
Oh,
You understand? So kaba hore maybe we're not otata munya wa how.
Yeah.
Ho fetsa tata munya wa how. Ho shake away to hore you've got people under your spell.
Yeah.
Yeah. So lohona hense kere utlwelele tsolo la how. That's what your great grandmother said. Raisibe. So you need.
But it's rude. It's rude, Raisibe.
We're mentioning names. Sorry about that.
Raisibe kema.
That's your great grandmother. Please do your history. Don't agree. Cheers. I was not supposed to do that. She just came through.
Moemishanyana mbotsore ke ra eme. Ana mo eme. Ke mbotsore ke amleboga. Just tell the person or thank you so much wherever I go. Le batsamaile nna. Ke represent bona whatever that I do.
100%.
Even the mistakes that I do, they must forgive me. They must talk to the High Lord to forgive me as well.
Yeah, and you're forgiven. Remember, this is your purpose.
Yeah.
You are the linker. You link people to where they're supposed to be.
Yeah.
You are the stepping stone to a lot of people's life. So never look down on yourself. You've got this. These are blessings more coming. You're still gonna go far, man. Like why not man? Because let us share the history. Why to hore borakulukuku ne bana le dikgomo go na le ditshimo. They were business-minded people and azanke ba sokola. So this is within your blood. This is in you. And they were very, very good negotiators. So so you've got this in the bag.
I'll find out. I'll do research about
Please
it.
do.
I'll do. You know
And
what?
come back and tell us.
I will. I want to say thank you so much. Ladies and gents, thank you so much one more time for tuning in. Thank you so much for being here. Ngabolo somewhere else, but you chose to be here with me and AUSI TINA. So, I don't know. I want you to leave them with word of the day or anything that you want to say to them. Where do they find you? Go to for anything, any word of the day or something like that.
Okay. So remember, you guys can find me go TikTok. It's AUSI TINA your medium. And Facebook as well, AUSI TINA your medium. And you can also hit me up on WhatsApp. It's 064 926 2184. Word of the day. Wanna go higher? Do you. Do whatever it is that pleases you. You matter. You matter first. Tata gore no motho ka gatshepe mo dilo tse but then go gobala wena. Put yourself first. You've got this. Peace.
Thank you so much. Re ke tsamaya go search ka spiring se mo. Ele kan tloela blind le ntsebele. Manyana le. Emampele. 30 of August, ladies and gents, catch me go Tembisa Tlamatlama Stadium. I'll be your MC. There's a lot of talent, lot of good born. The entertainment kaufela. We've got the likes of Shebe, Mabena, we've got the likes of Shandesh, we've got the likes of Kim Monada, and I'll be your MC with Shaba Wama 2K. A donkey, my baby. A donkey, my gosh.